check out what we were given. Boom. This is an 8-gallon, 110, so it's 115 volt electric water heater. Now, there is a lot of applications that you can use this on. First of all, you could use it on RVs. You could use it in your house. If, like us, if your house was built before 1990, then your water heater is way in the garage and everything else is way over here. Takes forever to get hot water. This is an alternative solution because buying a recirc pump can cost thousands of dollars. This is a better alternative. Now, as you can see, it comes with everything that you need to be able to do this. Now, this T right here is like if you were going to have more than one appliance on this, like you could run a washing machine and a laundry sink off of it. Or if you have like an outdoor kitchen, you could put 2 sinks on this to be able to run it, or 2 different faucets. It comes with a hanger right here that slides into the back right here to lock it in, so if you wanted to mount this on the wall. Now it does come with these anchors that allow you to fasten this to concrete, or you can just take it and screw it to a wall leveled up. It also comes with these supply tubes. Now, the reason on these supply tubes is really simple, is you feed into the top of these. I'm just gonna pull the hot off. You would feed into these from that. And what you would do is you would come off of your stop that would be hooked on underneath the sink. From the hot side, you would connect it right here, and then water would go into it, and then you would come out of this one and go up and connect this to the fixture. Now, you're asking why the hot. It's pretty simple, because if you let the hot water that's cold for the first 50 feet come in here and fill this up, then when you get to a point like on this kitchen, when I get through running it, 8 gallons, 9 gallons, by that time it generally has hot water from the water heater in. So all it is a maintainer. But if they turn it on and run just a couple of gallons or so, then it'll heat it up. So how you're doing it will make that happen. Now it does come also with this TMP. TMP stands for temperature and pressure relief valve. So if it gets too hot or if it gets too much pressure, then it'll blow off. This goes in here like so, and all this is basically a barb fitting that you're going to be able to put this on right here, and I would run that to the front, maybe out the doors or something. That way, if it does have a problem, it puts water on the floor, you know you have a problem, then you can work on it. It also comes with its own thread tape, so everything that you need to basically install this is right here with it, which that is a great perk. I've been doing this for about 35 years, and I can tell you that a recirc system costs anywhere up to $1,500 to $3,000. So this being the price that it is a much better alternative. So this is an 8-gallon. Now you can get these in different sizes, and if you're going to be displaying it because it's going to be somewhere out in the open, you can get these in different colors. These are digital. So right here is what turns that temperature up. This is going to tell you how much of it how fast it's cooking, and it's going to be able to display the temperature right here. Now we're going to get this hooked up. We're going to get this underneath there, and then we're going to show you the difference in water. All right, as you can see, the sink right now with the laser on is about 64.1. When we turn on the hot, you can see, look how fast it's jumping up. We're already at 103, coming up even higher and higher. We're already at 114. That's how much faster it comes out. It takes about 4 or 5 seconds because of the fact that it's just coming up through that pipe. So if you would love to have almost like instantaneous hot water at your sink when your water heater is so far apart, or If you have an outdoor kitchen where all you have is just a cold and you would love to have hot out there, then get you one of these.